How to use Final Cut Pro to edit YouTube videos. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply start your Final Cut Pro, create a library by clicking on the files at the top and then selecting this option of new and then click on this option of library, and this way you would be able to start a new library on Final Cut Pro. After that, you need to press Command N and a new project will appear. You can name your project over here, select the kind of quality that you are looking for from your YouTube video, and this way you would be able to select it. Now for the resolution, simply select this one, and this is the standard one for the 4K. If you go with the 1080, then you can go with this one. It is also quite compatible with YouTube. So just simply check out these settings, and 4K will take up more storage space in your device, so you can just choose it accordingly, but it gives a better quality for YouTube. And after that, click on this option of OK and your project will be created. Now you can edit it, and after that click on this option of export over here and select the option of YouTube and Facebook. This way you would be able to export it for the YouTube video. You can also export it without this option, or you can go with this one as well, which is export file, and then click on this option of next and just save the file with the name that you are looking for. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.